What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? We are back again for another month of so much we can grow in the garden. We are already in the month of August, which I'm also excited and have been so excited about as I look to go ahead and fill my keyhole raised bed. But nonetheless, this video is to tell you and let you know things that you can grow in the garden starting this month. Okay, and also I do want to shout out all the beautiful people who have gone ahead and started to join the family. As you can see, the join button is available to join the garden family. Okay, the DKUJ garden family, and I promise you, you want to join in as well because there are so many fun things we will get to do together. And so let's go ahead and talk about the things that we can grow in the garden this month. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 at a time, and we're gonna talk about those 3 and see if I'm gonna do those things, and you think about it too. Okay, the first 3 things are beans, broccoli, and cauliflower. Okay, the brassica family is back in the garden, ladies and gentlemen, and I am excited about them because I mean, broccoli takes up a lot of space in the garden, but it is beautiful as it grows and does what it does. And cauliflower just looks like snow in the garden, so I might as well give that a try as well. I actually have a purple variety of cauliflower that I may give it a grow this summer, this fall, starting in the month of August. And then we also, of course, I already have beans. Y'all see I have beans galore going on, but I do have some beans growing. Now, I know on the other video I said I had a bunch of leaves, but not beans. But now I have beans to go along with the leaves, so I'm happy with the beans. Okay. Also, we have some collards, corn, and cucumbers you can grow in the garden, ladies and gentlemen. Now, of course, with the collards, that is a part of the brassica family as well, which, oh my gosh, if you have some Georgia collards, they grow so well. I've done them before. I'm gonna do them again. They do well. They grow very nice and luscious, and I'm excited about doing them, okay? So go ahead and give those a try. And corn, you know, if you want to do it, give it a go. Cucumbers, y'all already know my story. Y'all already know the progression. If you don't know, make sure you check out the other video I did to show what you can do to have nice, strong cucumbers in the garden, okay? And if you have to rehab, these are things that you could and or should do. All right, so also we have onions, peas, and peppers. Yes, peppers. Who doesn't love peppers? I know I love peppers. I'm going to do some candy cane peppers as well as some more bell peppers, which I have done and did a video on harvesting those. So go ahead and give those a grow. Give those a try as well. Peas, why not? Go for them. If you're gonna grow beans, might as well grow and just let everything be in harmony. Wow, that rhymed. Also, you could do pumpkins, summer squash, and winter squash. Winter squash, summer squash, and pumpkins you can also grow as well. Now, if you are looking to have a nice pumpkin patch or a nice pumpkin situation coming up for October, you want to go ahead and throw your pumpkins down now. Or if you just want some pumpkin pie or some pumpkin dishes, okay, just to say the least, go ahead and start your pumpkins because the time is now to go ahead and get it going, okay? If you want it, especially at the time. And last but not least, we have tomatoes, turnips, and watermelon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you can still grow watermelon in your garden. You can start those things off, be it seed or directly into the soil itself if you're growing in raised beds or containers, as I do as well. Go ahead and throw your watermelons down. Now make sure they have the support and the stability because watermelons take a lot of all of that, okay? But at the end of the day, you can grow those as well. And so, as you all know, I've been anticipating growing my collards and my kales again, and I am going to do it, okay? Now it's the time. August is the month I've been waiting for, drawn out. Whew. And then next month, oh my goodness, I'm excited about what we can grow next month, but it's all about August. So with that being said, starting this week off today, we have the things that we can grow, and then starting on tomorrow, I will be starting the beautification process of my front yard garden with the keyhole raised bed being filled, okay? So make sure you take that video out because I have put together all of my wealth of information that I have thus far to put together the perfect raised bed mix. And so that is what that video will be about on tomorrow. And then we're gonna do some other things in this front yard garden because I want it to look oh so nice for the garden family that you all are joining, because I know you're clicking below and you are joining the family, and there are oh so many perks and benefits that you will be made aware of by joining and connecting with us. And I say us because it's not just me, it's a garden family. Speaking of, Gardening with me. It's the ultimate family, ladies and gentlemen. And I do have a question that's on the back of my shirt that I'm gonna ask. And with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. I look forward to connecting and growing with you all. The month is August. It's time to grow. It's time to have all those leafy green vegetables that we love, be it in our smoothies, be it on our plates, be it on our pots, be it wherever we do our cooking, okay? But with that said, have a great day. Have fun in the garden. August is the month. Plant, seed, and repeat. Plant, seed, and repeat, and then we will have a harvest that we will be oh so excited about, okay? All right, great people. With that being said, peace. I love you. Till next time. Get gardening.